Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Discord cannot send a message. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, if you want to fix this problem, you need to update your Discord application. Maybe there's a problem with your Discord because you haven't updated your Discord. So you need to go to the Play Store or Apple Store if you are iOS user. But here I'm Android user, so I'm gonna go to my Play Store and then we're going to search for the Discord application, just like that, and then click on update. Okay, and after that, you can also try to delete the app cache or app data of Discord. Let's say that you have updated your Discord and then you still can't send a message using Discord. If the problem is not solved by updating your Discord, you can try to delete your app cache or app data. If you are Android user, you can go to your settings and then you're going to go to the app setting. Okay, this one, and then open up the Discord. You can scroll down until you find the Discord. Wait guys. Okay, this is the Discord, and go to the storage, and after that you're going to click on clear cache and also clear data. Alright guys, and that's all the method you can try to fix Discord cannot send message. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.